Yeah, you really can't see it too good, but just a minute ago there's dust blowing down the road here like crazy. And if I were to open up the window here, you can hear the wind cornfield out there. Kind of waiting, I think, to let it dry down a little bit. Yesterday was 90 something here today, 91. So really got a good drying thing. And the wind came up. Wind changed from south to northwest, southwest to northwest, and yeah, nice amount of wind. My field is, the dirt is blowing in it, as you can see. It's just craziness. I'm gonna head back to the Dust Bowl, I'm afraid. Anyway, as you can see right here, they collect. Farmers are kind of discouraged. They have to have some corn stalk bales, but they're discouraged to take too much foliage from the ground because it gets to be bare and then it blows in the winter. Anyway, you can see the difference between there and across where they haven't raked and baled. So, yep. Anyway, just gonna let you know that the wind blows in southwest Minnesota all the time. Thanks for watching.